Biology MCQs. MCQ number 1. Color of stains of gram positive bacteria is purple. Option B is correct. Purple. MCQ number 2. Cocci are arranged randomly in Staphylococcus. Option C is correct. Staphylococcus. MCQ number 3. Antibiotics are used to kill bacteria. Option A is correct. Bacteria. MCQ number 4. Examples of most diverse photosynthetic bacteria is cyanobacteria. Option D is correct. Cyanobacteria. MCQ number 5. Bacteria are reproduced by binary fission. Option B is correct. Binary fission. MCQ number 6. Bacteria ribosomes are attached with both A and B. Option P are rough endoplasmic reticulum and plasma membrane. Option C is correct. Both A and B option. MCQ number 7. Bacteria of pneumonia are diplococci. Option C is correct. Diplococci. MCQ number 8. Lactone donor of oxygenated photosynthesis is C6H12O6. Option C is correct. MCQ number 19. Any molecule is the term of description of bacteria and protozoa. Both A and B option. MCQ number 10. Color of stain of gram negative bacteria is pink. Option D is correct. Pink. MCQ number 11. Size of cyanobacteria range in micrometer from 1 to 10. Option B A is correct. 1 to 10 micrometers. MCQ number 12. Generation time is time interval between two division. Option A is correct. 2 division. MCQ number 30. Number of plants present in bacilla is R1. Option A is correct. Is 1. 14. Mesosomes are originated from cell membrane. Option A is correct. Cell membrane. MCQ number 15. Pathogenicity of bacteria was increased by slime. Option C is correct. Slime. MCQ number 16. Number of major layer present in gram positive bacteria are 1. Option A is correct. 1. MCQ number 17. Filament of cyanobacteria consists of trichomes. Option C is correct. Trichomes. Option MCQ number 18. Growth rate of bacteria is nil in lag phase. Option A is correct. Lag phase. MCQ number 19. Shape of Vibrio is coma shaped rod. Option C is correct. Coma shaped rod. MCQ number 20. Calvin cycle perform in function of assimilation of carbon dioxide. B is correct. Assimilation of carbon dioxide. MCQ number 21. Mesosomes are involved in cell division. Option B is correct. Cell division. MCQ number 22. Number of layers present in gram negative bacteria are 2. Option B is correct. 2. MCQ number 23. Flexibility found in Spirochaeta. Option B is correct. Spirochaeta. MCQ number 24. Cell organization of Protista is eukaryotic. Option A is correct. Eukaryotic. MCQ number 25. Organ of locomotion of forearms is pseudopodia. Option C is correct. Pseudopodia. MCQ number 26. Examples of free living sessile flagellate is called conoflagellate. Option D is correct. Conoflagellate. MCQ number 27. Anticomplexons move by flexing their body. Option D is correct. Flexing their body. MCQ number 28. Number of flagella present in Ceratium are 2. Option B is correct. 2. MCQ number 29. Macrocytic are involved in panophyte. Option C is correct. 30. Protista are believed to be originated from Munira. Option A is correct. Munira. MCQ number 31. Fucoxanthin is present in all of them. Phyrophyta, Pyphyta, Christophyta. Option all D is correct. All of these. MCQ number 32. Organ of locomotion of Trypanosoma is flagella. Option A is correct. Flagella. MCQ number 33. Plasmodium is transmitted by the bites of female Anopheles mosquito. Option A is correct. MCQ number 34. Coinoflagellates show resemblance with phylum Porifera. Option A is correct. Porifera. MCQ number 35. Condors are included in rhodophyte. Edophyte. Option A is correct. Edophyte. Edophyta. MCQ number 36. Protesta are believed as precursors of plants. Option D is correct. Plants. MCQ number 37. Number of flagella present in Pinoria is none of them. Option D is correct. MCQ number 38. Body of Plasmodium is a multinucleate. Option C is correct. Multinucleate. MCQ number 39. Organ of locomotion of Entamoeba is pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. Option C is correct. Pseudopodia. 40. In human, Plasmodium first enter in liver cells. Option D is correct. Liver cells. MCQ number 41. Outer covering of ciliate is termed as a pellicles. Option C is correct. Pellicle. 42. Keratium is included in pyrophyta. Option B is correct. Pyrophyta. MCQ number 43. Body of Protesta is a colonial, unicellular and multicellular. All of these is correct. MCQ number 44. Number of flagella present in focus are 2. B is correct. 2. Plasmodium obtained from food from all of them bacteria, yeast and spores. All of them is correct. MCQ number 46. Habitat of free living amoeba is all of them freshwater, marine and soil. All of above is correct. MCQ number 47. Water regulation of salate is controlled by contractile vacuole. Option C is correct. Contractile vacuole. Multiplication of Plasmodium take place in red blood cells. Option A is correct. Red blood cells. MCQ number 49. Example of Protesta is all of them protozoa, algae and slime molds. Option D is correct. 50. Euglena is example of a euglenophyta. Option C is correct.